কন্ট্রোলটা আছে সেটা
কম্পিউটারে।
চলো ফায়ার অ্যান্ড সেফটি পড়ে নিই, ঠিক আছে? দেখি এটা কি দেখো। কার কি আইডিয়া আছে ফায়ার অ্যান্ড সেফটি নিয়ে? হোয়াট ইজ ইওর বেসিক আইডিয়া?
আগুন লাগিয়ে বোঝানো যায় ওটাই তো ফায়ার সেফটি
Okay, no fire safety. Okay, basically fire is a god. In the ancient principles and books, okay, fire is also some god. Agnidev. So now he is come to our business. Okay.
He is giving his blessings to us.
How many people want that blessing?
So now as a handicraft student, you are learning from the Agnidev also. Teaching about, learning about Agnidev. Okay, see these are the three key elements for the fire. One is oxygen, another is fuel, and another is heat. Okay, you have the oxygen, there is heat, until there is sufficient heat, then the fire cannot come. Okay? There is a fire with flame, there is a fire or without flame. Okay? So this is a basic concept. Okay, there are the two categories of thing. One is combustible, another is non-combustible. Combustible is okay if you put fire on the wood, wood can get fire and it can create light and it can get destroyed. Because inside the wood there is a carbon element. When you put fire, that carbon get converted into carbon dioxide. It takes oxygen from the air. If there is a less oxygen, the fire cannot happen. No? And when there is a fire, what we use? Carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is used as a fire extinguisher. Okay? Suppose we are here, the fire has happened. If you bring more and more carbon dioxide, what will happen to us? So sufficient carbon dioxide will also kill us. So we cannot use carbon dioxide everywhere. While the humans are there, we cannot use the carbon dioxide as a fire extinguisher. So this is easily available, but we cannot use because it can also create human life to death. Okay? So come, there are 3-4 categories of fire. Number one is class A. These are the material, wood, paper, clothes, rubber. This is called class A fire. If you see, there is a red cylinder put in every offices and there is written ABC. Means this instrument or this cylinder works for ABC category fire. Okay? Not basic category of fire. The A category fire means it comes from these materials. Okay? Fire category. Then the B. B is for the liquids, gasoline, kerosene, paint thinner and propane. Then the C, electrical equipment, switches, short circuits and say electrical meter and junction of wires, plugs. So these are the C category fire is electrical fire. Okay? Then category D. These are metal, magnesium, potassium, sodium. These are normally not available, but it gets fired. It is very tough to carve down. There is some fire which is come from phosphorus. In cinema, people walk through the fire. How do they walk? What is the science behind this? In cinema, you see that people is coming from fire. House is got fire.
Fire protection jacket.
No, one thing. Okay, it can be possible answer. Anything else? Which is any guess? Omita?
Solution, something like that.
Solution. These fires are made by white phosphorus. You write it. When you put white phosphorus with fire, that fire is very cold and it does not create any mass on the body screen. So they use white phosphorus as a fire producing material. So these are the basically 4 categories of fire. So suppose you have 3 categories of office. One is business office, another is manufacturing house. So if it is a business house, what are the possible chances where from we get fire? One we can get from short circuit. So this is the category C, electrical short circuit. One we can, there is a lot of chairs, somebody has come and put fire on the chairs, wooden chairs. If you put wooden chairs, then chances of fire is more. If you put wooden walls, chances of fire is wooden roof, more wooden furniture, more wooden doors, wooden windows. So chances of fire is high. And suppose in case of class B, it comes from kitchen. There are liquids and kerosene, sometimes the kerosene, stoves, and some cooking instruments, where the liquids are used on petrol also. You can use the petrol and plus B fire also. And the same. Suppose the fire has come from electrical circuit. Can you use the water to extinguish the fire? Why? If why not? Say the fire has come from the short circuit. You have the oil with bucket full of water, and you are throwing. It is the right decision or wrong decision? Fire extinguisher. Why not water for the electrical fire? Because as it is water is a conductor of electricity, so it can counter attack you. Or the person, say you are using hose pipe and water continuation is there, you are open the tap and water is coming, you are touching the water. So reverse flow of electricity will happen and you can get shock. So in case of electrical fire, nobody use the water as a fire extinguisher. They have to use the ABC. There is a powder, or you have to use the carbon dioxide. You write it because in case of home it is also necessary. When there is a short circuit, we should not throw mug of water with the fireplace. This is very vital. So this sea fire cannot be carved down with the help of water. Okay? Then another is ENF. There is an oil field. Normally not covered here. There is a oil tankers, oil field, and big, in Bhojwal also. Big drum like say they keep on the crude petroleum. And if it gets fires, they cannot come down with the carbon dioxide. They have a different mechanism. They have to use certain chemicals so that their surface will be in the contact with the oxygen. And sometimes when they are in the sea, there is a fire, they throw another liquid which can make a coat on the water surface and stop the contact of oxygen and the fire. You understand my point? So that is the thing. Okay. Then come to this thing. What we can do for protect? Okay. So this is ordinary polish oils and covered container to prevent fires. What are the things you can do there? Have you seen any fire incident that you have came across your stop in your life, first life? Or have you done a small course for the first aid?
I was in a train which got fire.
Huh?
I was in a train which got fire at night.
Okay. Now what was the
Next coach got fire.
Then the panic was there. People
Because of
were
panic, the
walking.
train stopped. The two coaches were
Separated.
disconnected. But that was much later.
Okay.
একটা কোচ ছেড়ে আগুনটা লেগেছিল। Then the fire spread to the next coach.
Okay.
Like somebody had tried to disconnect the original coach also, but
Okay.
he succumbed to the fire.
Okay.
And then eventually the other one was somebody from that coach ran down to our coach saying fire, 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 and then the chain was pulled. So because the running train, the fire will spread more.
Okay.
Chain was pulled, and then this coach was disconnected, and this was taken behind. Then the engine went to the other end, took the other coaches away again. After that, around 3:30 a.m., all of us were getting down because the disconnection had not happened.
Exactly.
So we were all getting down from the coach with all our luggage and everything. We kept our luggage outside in the middle of nowhere.
Nobody can predict fire, huh? Okay, fine. Any other incident?
Around 70 people died.
My God, this is a huge fire. Huge fire. Any incident which have came across through the newspaper also? Any in Kolkata also? There Kolkata also happened 2-3 fire. MRI fire. What was that? The fire was from the short circuit. And what has happened? The patients are unable to go out and the doors are closed. And MRI fire took around 93 lives. 93, huge. And due to that fire, the hospital gets closed at least 2 to 3 years. The MRI. MRI fire. In Stephen Court fire in the Park State. And there is a Nondaram market fire due to the gas cylinder. So these are the incidents which are
Ashikanan market also there were.
Exactly. So this is not that the fire is very far away from Calcutta market. We don't want that it should come to our offices or any offices. But we should take precautions. precautions. Okay? Normally you know what are the precautions to be taken. So what are the precautions we can take? Then I will show from the videos. You just go through this. These are electrical. In case of electrical equipment, wire should be done by anybody? No. Wire should be done by authorized electrical engineer. To put it, say suppose I have taken a wire office. I don't know where from the wire diagram has come. Where the meter is, where the points are. There are so many points. You should look at that. Then there are so many gadgets run by the electrical. Say these are the points. They are kept loose. It is not scientific. Isn't it? Fire prevention system. You understand my point? So when there is electrical fire, we can take 3-4 protection. Say suppose we keep so many costly equipments here. We can paint the wall with a fireproof coating. You know there are a lot of server rooms and costly rooms. They have a coating which can prevent the fire. Even there is cable made by Finolex and other companies. These are fire resistance cable. They use certain chemicals and certain materials to prepare the outer surface of the wire. So when there is a fire, the wire cannot get burned. So fireproof coating and fireproof wire. This is very useful to use to stop the electrical short circuits. Okay? Then we can use these are the flammable things. These are simple things. I am stopping. These are basic do's and don'ts and what are the things you should do building and but nowadays what is the laws of the land? Suppose if your office is more than 2000, okay, I am just skipping this thing. Then I will go to the videos and this that. It's a basic instruction how to do the emergency. I am just sharing. Say nowadays what is the government laws? So suppose you have established an office, you just keep few fire extinguishers. And when you take the fire extinguisher, they are come with the different size. There is 6 kg fire extinguisher, there is 4 kg fire extinguisher. And all the fire extinguishers are made by ISI standards. They have to build this fire extinguisher, then they have to certify to the ISI, then they will allow to sell it. Number 1. Number 2 is, why the fire extinguisher to be there? Only to take carbon dioxide cylinder. But what are the advantages of carbon dioxide cylinder? After 2-3 months, the gas can get leaked. But the carbon dioxide cylinder, when there is so many people, you cannot use. There is a disadvantage. So we use the powder. There is a certain powder which is filled inside the red container, and when the fire is happening, people are spraying. What is the advantage of a small container versus large container? If the container weight is 4 kg, people can carry and burn. But disadvantage when the huge fire is there. So after 15 minutes spray, the fire cannot be stopped. Then it is better to use the 6 kg. But in case of 6 kg, you are using in a office, where the maximum ladies. For a lady to carry the 6 kg cylinder, it is a cumbersome process. So you have to use the mixed mass. Sometimes there is a fire extinguisher of 1 kg or 2 kg. Although these are not ISI standards, they don't allow to sell the lower quality fire. But they give for the convenience. Hand spray like this or first aid, Johnson spray like this. These are the, this is the first treatment, not the final treatment. Am I understood my point? Sometimes in some offices we say, okay, 500 grams fire extinguisher is small. Maybe office size is small. Maybe it is a dry room, maybe it is a small office, say 2 person is sitting. So they have kept a 1 kg fire extinguisher. Okay?
There are domestic fire extinguishers.
Yes, there is also a small, it is sold by any companies, it is made and it is cost around 3,000 to 5,000 range. So, what are the basic precautions we have to take? So when you prepare the office, we have to check the wiring, number 1. Number 2, we have to put some fire extinguisher. Maybe you can put carbon dioxide cylinder, maybe you can put ADC powder. And we have to check whether the validity of the powder is there. They put the date when it was installed and the validity is 6 months. Every time they come and they check the pressures whether the material is working.
So I am going to the sand bucket.
Exactly. Another is sand bucket means okay, for the bucket you can keep. In the British time there is a railway station and people red bucket is there with the sand. Sand is a good fire extinguisher. But in a modern office, you cannot keep sand with the. But you can keep certain space with the sand if you want. But this is a low-cost solution, but useful solution and foolproof solution. Sometimes people keep some sacks also. In our primary class 10 level or 9 level, when the first aid is taught, they talk when the fire is there, bring some cloths, wrap around, when there is a disconnect between the oxygen or air and the bodies, so fire gate is stopped. That's my point. So this is a basic thing. Okay. So in our cases, right now if your floor area is 2,500 square feet, then when you go to renew the license, the government will, okay, please come with the fire checking. You know, West Bengal Government's fire services office is at Mirjagani Street, 13D Mirjagani Street. It is free school street, it is called. So earlier it was called. So there is a government fire and emergency services office, and to them all the fire brigade reports. There is a Kerala, there is a fire brigade in all parts of the Kolkata. The red car, they go with the firemen and the water. So if our offices or factories 2,500 squares and more, we have to take the fire clearance.
So এটা নবনাথে শিফট হয়ে যায়
Omanatha?
ফায়ার অফিস নবনাথ শিফট হয়ে
Sometimes the minister sits at the Navarro. All the officers sits. And you know, there is a fire brigade cars also. And they have a lot of fire brigade office also. And you know, there are dial number, what is the fire? 101 or 10? Huh? 100 is for police, R is for 101.
and 102 is for ambulance.
Okay? So this is emergency. And what you can do, in your office you can display nearby fire brigade number. It's a mandatory. Don't forget. You put 3-4 fire brigade stations number. When there is some fire, people can call. Don't put the mobile number. Keep the land numbers also. Other than emergency 101, okay, you can put the land numbers. If you want, you can search and take okay, these are the nearby fire stations phone numbers. It's a mandatory. You display and you also keep in a computer also. But in computer nobody can click and see display in maximum places. In factory also. So layman can read in a bigger font. Don't write a small, okay, 2423 and this. So number one precaution. Number two is the container can prevent fire of say 30 foot by 20 foot area. There is a specific area. Say suppose if you use a 6 kg fire extinguisher, you can put a whole building with that container. So in this room, you have to keep minimum 4 is ideal. So you can in 4 corner you can keep your budget is less, you can at least you have to put 2. Others government will not allow, okay, your room you can allow with the PPs and this. That was the fire extinguisher. Apart from that, what we can put? You know, there are the smoke detector, fire. What they do? Smoke, fire and smoke. The fire cannot be detected. These are basically a smoke and heat detector. They are made by Honeywell and Bosch company. You can write it or system sensor. If you want to procure, you can procure. The good thing is from system sensor. How to function? They have a circuit and there is a sensor. When a smoke will happen, there is a pass away. When the smoke insert inside the pass away, the light beam gets caught, and that the detector sends a signal to the control panel. And all the smoke detector, there are 2 types of detector. One is wired, another is wireless. So if you put wired, they are connected to the series, and all the smoke detector is connected with the control panel. Just like telephone, all telephone is connected to the telephone exchange. So when there is one smoke detector is sensing a fire or a smoke, it is communicating to the control panel. In control panel, with that control panel output, there is a hooter. So the siren will blow, and all people get alert. Okay, something has happened. They will come out, and in your building there is an exit sign or fire accumulation place. When the fire is happening, some danger is happening, you come and stay there, or don't use the lead. These are the precautions given in all big buildings. So one is wired smoke, another is wireless smoke detector. These are also made by the only Honeywell. Normally wireless smoke detector is costly. One wireless smoke detector costs about 9,500. So what is the advantage of wireless? There is no wire. So in case of fire, if the wire gets fired or it gets obstructed, your detector is functioning. HO anyway, anyway. I have all the details. As you are little bit
Sir,
tired, I
ballistic battery operated.
No, they are all connected to the power. Normally low cost is battery operated. One I talked about wired smoke detector. Another I called a smoke and heat detector. You write it, otherwise some salesman will come and cheat you. The smoke and heat. What is a smoke means okay, only the smoke can detect it. Okay? And heat detector, there is a 61 degree centigrade. What is the highest temperature in world? Remember? Should I put or not? On? No, it is hot. Or I should off? No. So, what is the highest temperature in this world? I should give you blankets, a few sweaters and blazers. If you run the ACs. Okay. So what is the highest temperature in this world?
Some of the deserts must be having up to 55.
Checkover 58 degree and the lowest Barkhayanas. You write these two names. Barkhayanas is minus 69 degree. And Jacobabad in Pakistan it is 58 degree. So what is the cutoff? It is 61 degree. So when there is a heat but there is no smoke, if the heat reaches to 61 degree, the detector can sense. And after this receiving the sense, it can communicate to the control panel. Understood? So suppose these all detectors are connected, na? All control panel and control panel has a three things. One is hooter, another they can directly call out the fire brigade, or they can call you your mobile number. There is a auto dialer system. You write it, auto dialer. With the control panel, there is a auto dialer. The auto dialer has a SIM, and in the SIM, if you give 4 numbers, 6 numbers, they can automatically call all these 6 people, and message will go. Have you understood my point? So in fire detection and prevention, this is a more modern solution rather than the slingers and keeping blanket, keeping sands, keeping
So
water.
there are sprinkler also.
This is old model. When there is a lot of documents, so what will happen? You can put
Water sprinkler.
water is well. You see there in our house, no, I have seen. In the big offices, you see there is a small outlet. This that card with a star mark, and there is a indicator also. So when there is a heat, that sensor gets burst, and through that pipe the water comes, and they have a like this Bora concept, sprinkler. They throw away the water on the floor, and through this water is sprayed, the fire can get stopped. But if you don't control the water, if you throw more and more water, what will happen? All the documents get spoiled. So in designing the sprinkler, you have to need a water pump, and this is a little bit a costly solution. For this type of floor, if you want to design the sprinkler, its cost will be around 10 to 12 lakhs. Because you need the fire pump, the water pump, then you need the tank, you need a hydrant pipe, the red pipe, it comes with the all bigger shopping mall, red, is a fire hydrant pipe. And then there is a branching of the pipes, then you have to set the for sprinkler. So 3 types of solution. One is fire extinguisher, maybe carbon dioxide cylinder or ABC powder. Number 2 is water, maybe you can with water protection or water thing. Number 3 is smoke and heat detector. Say my office is a small, say our first floor training room. You put one smoke detector, is sufficient. One smoke detector, oil smoke detector costs 1500 rupees, and the control panel costs 8000 rupees, and the hooter and auto dialer it is cost another 4000. So within 15,000, I am getting a complete set of smoke detector. Have you understood the concept? Momita, can you tell me about this? for the benefit of whole class.
About 5 minutes.
Amit sir, you discuss. What are you discuss about? Why am I telling you? Say, I told now prevention is better than cure. So this is a preventive system. We can protect our assets. Basically, the smoke detector, fire, and ABC powder. Okay? I am just searching one videos.
In every manufacturing work where smoke detector and fire extinguisher is very important for the benefit of the employees and for the concern of manufacturing. You should know, and all employees know where the fire extinguisher is put on, and they should know how to use the fire extinguisher. If unhealthy situation happens, employees should know, or a group of employees are expert to face the problem. What are the benefits? A major benefits is life benefits and the factory or manufacturing unit saved for us. So,
About the smoke detector,
about smoke detector, you should know the control panel, where the control panel
placed,
to be placed, where the fire extinguisher is put on, we kept, and the total diagram.
it should be
You should know where the exit actually, where fire is on. You should know where is the actual exit on an emergency basis.
Anybody? Okay, thank you. Anybody can explain the smoke detector? It is how it works and is that what are types of smoke detector are there?
Sir, I have no clue about it.
Smoke detector. Question is that?
There are two types of smoke detectors.
Wireless. Another is?
Wireless, sir.
Okay, fine. Then
And it is triggered by the smoke.
okay.
Discontinue the light.
Okay.
After that,
Photo sensor.
photo sensor, and after that the
smoke.
scooter gets on.
Okay. Anybody can add? Amitabh? Amitabh can add?
So the other one is smoke and heat
Okay.
detector.
What is auto dialer? Should we feed with auto dialer or don't?
Auto dialer should be kept.
Auto dialer, because it is hooting but nobody is there. So we don't know whether fire has happened or not. Have you understood my point? Am I right or wrong? Yes. I'm showing a small video, you just see. And you see the, what do you call, the statistics, what fire can do for you. is. See, the statistics is very important. कितना करोड़ का रुपीस 45,000 crore. Fire takes 45,000 crore. This is a huge turnover. See. Yes, 1.5 times. Fire takes. See the Ambu also, na? In Ambu fire, this civil code and all this. You check the history of the fire, big fires and losses. You have seen the car. Inside the car, we also put the fire extinguisher with the red one. That fire extinguisher is made by Italian. This is this thing. That's 5,000 LEDs. But I want to say that technology only. Yes. Yes, yes. There are so many things and only 200 plus. I'm giving a light idea. Okay, what sun is telling, okay, these are sticker, these are. There are a lot of things on the fire. And you really go, so I am not boring you. But fire is a huge subject. You know, the firefighting engineers are there.
It's single use.
20 years no one. Okay, seriously? Watch it. Other government will use it. I think a label country. This is C-side, you know, certificate of export agency, the demo they are using. C and ISO 9000. I don't create a product to work, you can use that. This is the product picture. This is the tagline is different. Okay. So what it talks about? It gives the glimpse of few gadgets, and it also talks about the statistics, fire can do the damage, and the same way the smoke detector, how it comes, all the videos are there. Okay? So this is the basic about the fire. Now I am giving you 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes to ask questions. Then we will call it a day. This is the time. And 5 minutes for question answer. Any question? Use fire clearance is required.
Sir, any problem, sir?
We use lot of fire.